Hey there, Full-Time Freedom Team. It's Marlena Burton, and I want to show you how you can make your own approved SHG splash page using AIOP. It's super simple. Okay, so here's my page. Like I said, it's already approved by corporate, and I just changed the thumbnail on it. That's all I changed. So you want to go to your AIOP system and choose Splash Pages, which is here. So I have chosen the video splash page, but you can use just the white one, or if you want to do the video, you can do that as well. So you're going to put your link here instead of mine, and you're going to put the video link here if you use the video page. Otherwise, all you have to do is open my page, then you're going to copy all of my whole page, okay? If you do the video page, you can just copy from here up. But let's do the whole page. Okay, you want to copy that. Then you're going to go over to the Splash Builder and you're going to paste all of that information right here. Okay, I already have mine in there. So, but if I didn't have it in there, I could just paste all of that information right here. Okay. Now I hope I don't have this messed up. Okay. Hopefully all my information's still in there. It's all still there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and update settings. That's what you do. Update settings. Then you come down here and you see your page. Okay. Since you copied Powered by AIOP, you can backspace through that. But it's still going to be on the bottom of the page. So that's all you have to do. Then you're going to go to this area that says Enroll Now. Right here, click next to that, and you're going to see this come up. You're going to click here and put your link in, the same link that you had up there, your sign-up page, or if you want to send them to the whole website. It's a lot of information, but that's up to you. It's your page. And then you're going to click on Update. Just put in click here now, or just click here, and it'll be okay. Then you're going to update. Then you're going to come back down to the bottom and update the whole page. And you, my friend, are all set. Make sure you view your page. And then you're going to click the link to make sure it goes to the right page, okay? So you're all set, and this is just a tutorial for how to make this page. And guys, keep it super simple. Invite people, see who wants to save money, earn money, or both. And just share this video, okay? Maybe we'll get a shorter video, then I can just change the video to a shorter video. But everything is already approved, so keep it super simple. You can go to my website at thankgod.savingshighwayglobal.com. My number is 618-223-6006. Thank you so much, everyone. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Keep it up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God's best.